What is up, guys? It's been a while since I did an overview of my tool bag, so we'll do a little this Veto Pro pack is the bee's knees. It really is best bag I've ever used. You know, the way I work, it kind of holds my tools for sometimes when I don't know I'm getting into. I just take the whole bag. It's definitely pressing 40 pounds, maybe more. But that being said, Mike's Tool Shed, I think, had the same bag or maybe one bigger, but he was right. Like, it doesn't feel like it will close, but if you just keep shoving more tools in there, it's going to expand. And you also want to oil the zippers, take care of that so it lasts you a long time. Anyways, we'll go in the outer pockets here. Starting off, I got this Work Pro little bit kit. It's pretty neat. I mean, you push in and you got your driver there, and then I kind of did it. It only came with Phillips and Torx and Robertson, so I put an assortment of different bits in there. It works good. Next up, I bought this little Blue Point hex driver ratchet, made in USA. Thing's awesome. You know, what I use it for is if I need a nut driver like this, or even to get in a tight space with, you know, a regular head like this, I can stick it in there, ratchet down on it. It works great. You can kind of thumb drive it if you have to. It's awesome. Other outside pockets over here, I got some Work Pro. It's a PH0 Phillips head, and then a 3/32 flathead, so smaller screwdrivers. They come in handy. Over here, got my tape, got duct tape, which I actually don't use ever, but Teflon tape, electrical tape. We got silicone grease for the shower controls, or waterproof grease, you know. On this side, we have these long bit drivers, Pro Torque, Tork, and scraper. Those come in handy. And then on this side, the outer pockets, we have pipe thread tape and my old Craftsman 16-foot tape measure, which for what I do, 16 foot's all I really need. If I need something more, you know, maybe I'll take a digital along with me or a bigger tape measure, but that's basically it. So going in on this side, we have a Work Pro little level. It's like a 4-inch, 6-inch. Comes in handy, very nice. Got my Stanley Hammer. I enjoy using that. These ones I just got recently because my old pair of just everyday stuff broke, but these are ideal insulated screwdrivers. They're very nice. I haven't gotten to use them much, but I definitely like the handles. Over here, just have some small Work Pro picks for gaskets or scraping stuff off. We got Milwaukee Snips, aren't my favorite, but they work. We got the Cobalt Sheers. These are very nice. Got a Stanley knife. I enjoy using that. We got an old Techie Ton Pry Bar. Got the Capri bolt cutters. I've had to use them a few times. They work great. I like them. Very good. Got the Dasco Pro little Pry Bar, made in USA. Got the Steelman, you know, thin profile screwdrivers here. They've worked great. I bought this off of Amazon. This Siabi deal. Pretty good. Haven't used it much yet. Got my Husky, 6-in-1, 8-in-1, whatever. Comes in handy. That thing works like a champ. This, one of my favorite tools, the Work Pro ratcheting screwdriver. So smooth. These are a set of Torx heads there. And then we got the Southwire non-contact voltage tester with the flashlight at the end. That works great. We got a little Crescent 7-inch pry bar. Some of these stuff may come in and out. I've been tweaking it around. Tools and trash led me to these. Are the Cline Needlenose wire strippers. These things, they've broken in. They are fantastic. Orgasmic when you use them. This is a pair of Milwaukee Needlenose, and then we got these small NWS. Kind of figuring that all out. Got a my tactical pen light tool there. Works well. Now in the back here on the front, we have a Narex made in Czech Republic pry bar. And then I have a whole set of Filos in the back, these Filos, and that's what I've been using at work, and my gosh, I really enjoy the Filos. They're great. They're wonderful. I've always preferred wood-handled stuff if I can buy it. And also, I have a small tape measure, in case if I'm measuring for screens or inside a window. Something of that effect. So this is kind of just my general side of tools. For basically anything you might walk into in the apartment maintenance realm. Now on this side, the flap's going to go flying down as well. It's more my plumbing side. So we have my Temp Gun. I did have a Work Pro one, but this one's just a lot more simpler. Got these Stanley hex keys. Got this thing is awesome. This is the bee's knees Work Pro stubby kit. I bought these, kind of a no-name brand, non-marring plastic things, along with the Sonoto pliers. I don't know. I haven't enjoyed using them, but I'm gonna keep pressing on with them. They're not bad. They're not great. I have these Crescent Nut Drivers, which, pretty good. 2 sizes, so 4 sizes on each of them, so you got 8 sizes total. I got the original Irwin, and then these are Blue Point. I got some Blue Point in there for duct tape tech, This I just bought, the Jam Bar. Actually, I didn't just buy it. I've had this for like 2 years in a package. That's like Lex Vance there. Pulled it out to use it. And then got the Lennox Hacksaw, little hacksaw there. Got the Falcom, Proto, pipe wrench. I know this is more automotive, but it works really well with plumbing stuff too, and it's non-marring. Great stuff. And getting into these pliers are all my Knipex, Kneepex. Best pliers. I won't even buy channel lock again. That's how good those are. Got some Crescent wrenches here. This is a Diamond, I forget the name, but that's USA made. Crescent. Then you got a little pipe wrench, 8-inch Lennox, comes in handy when you need it. Paint scraper, always handy to keep in there. And then up top, I got this. I bought at like a UPS store. It's a nice handy dandy light. This is the Milwaukee battery powered pen light. Can't have enough lights. And then this is a Milwaukee Retrieval tool that comes out, but it also has a little LED at the end there. In terms of retrieval tools, I've used a lot better. Like, this is actually hyper tough. As you can see, there's a lot more length to the hyper tough, and that light is, you know, so. I don't know, but I don't use a retrieval tool that often, so I haven't been stuck in a position where this hasn't worked for me. Anyways, that's my update on the bag. I appreciate you guys all watching. If you aren't subscribed, get subscribed, and catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Later.